Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Wilsons. I have finally gotten one of my packages, so I'm going to go ahead and let my fiance open it up. So I'm just going to hand it right over to him. I think there's a way. Sorry guys, we're terrible at opening boxes. Let me just actually. Let's see what we got here. There's a package inside of a package. This looks like, I believe this is my chargers. Oh, yep, that's what it is. I had ordered 5 iPhone cords on Amazon because we keep losing all of ours. So, finally have those. And, you know, I never thought I'd be so excited about one of these. But, I've been scrubbing our toilet by hand via gloves. So, I am so excited about my toilet brush. So these are the only 2 things to come in out of several things. I have a Bath and Body Works one coming in soon. I have another Amazon one coming in. I have a Macari one coming in. I have tons of stuff coming in, guys. There it is. I just have to assemble it. So I was like hoping this would be pre-assembled, but the packaging is more difficult than anything. I have to take it down because it's difficult. Alright, so it looks like this. Let me pull it out. Of course, it'll have the handle on it. It's got these. I like this compared to the other toilet brushes because this feels like rubber bristles and the other ones are usually like the scratchy weird brushes. So this should like not scratch your toilet when you use it. So we're just going to screw this on. And then I believe this screws on top of it. Yep, I got it already. So here is the toilet brush I ordered and the little container. Now, both of these things, this was a good deal. This was I believe it was $10.99 for all 5 of these iPhone cords. And then this was $12.99. But I've heard like really good things about this toilet brush, so of course I wanted to try it. And we also needed one. So that is all I have for unboxing today, guys. So next time I get more packages in, I will make sure I record for you. So thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll see you all next time. Bye.